Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to create a blog on Wix Studio. So the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser and then go to the wixstudio.com and then make sure that you have logged into your Wix Studio account. Then right here you can select to create a new site or select an existing site where you can put or create a blog. So I think for this one, I'm going to create a new site and then select the Studio Blank canvas. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. After that, just click on the plus icon or the add elements option at the top left and then scroll down all the way to the bottom. You'd be able to see here the blog. So you just simply click on the blog option and then here share your expertise and engage with your audience. So here just have to simply click on the add to site option. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and once the Wix blog is added to your website, so you'd be able to see this one right here, the top right in the pages, and then go to the blog page. Now the next thing that you should do here, you'd be able to see this default blogs. So what you're going to do now is to upload our own blog right here. So before that, let's click on the settings, and then right here we can see these different options. So let us go to the display section. So if you want to show your write your name right here with image or publish date and more, so you just have to simply click on or check the box. Okay, and then if you'd like to exclude a specific section, so you just have to uncheck the box. Now let's go to the layout section. So right here you just have to choose a layout or a perfect layout for your blog. So I think I'm going to use the first layout. Okay, this one. Okay, then do not forget to click on the apply after that. Now for the design, so we have here the navigation option. We also have the post. Here we can also customize our category labels. And we also have here the buttons and then the ratings, and the last one is the video settings. So if you would like to redesign all of this section, so just go to the design section. Now let us close this one and go here and then click on the manage post, and we'll be directed to our dashboard. And the next thing that we should do is to publish our very first post or blog post. So just simply click on the create a new post, and then what you're going to do here is to add a title for your blog post. So for example, I'm going to type a makeup maybe. Okay, so this is our first blog post. So for this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload to blog post. Okay, so we have the title, and the next thing that we should do is to add an image. So just click on the add option at the top left and then select the image. You can also add all of the elements that you need for your blog. Then here you can upload media from your computer, or you just have to use media from Wix. So for this video, I'm just going to use media from Wix. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to simply type out makeup or the keywords that you need for that specific picture that you need. Okay, so I think I'm going to use this one, and then click on the add to page option at the top, at the bottom right. Now right here, the next thing that we should do now is to write a blog post. Okay, so we'll be able to add here our captions. So here at the bottom, so I'll be using ChatGPT for this video. Okay, after that you just have to simply click on the publish option at the top right, and then right here you now agree that your post has been published. So before we preview our blog post, let me just upload a new one or create a new blog post. So the same process, we're just going to add a title, and then you just have to add an image and then start writing our blog post. Okay, so I'm going to add an image right here and then select image. That's right. And then here you just have to use the search bar and search for keywords. Okay, so I think I'm going to find a bag for the second blog. Okay, so let me just find a perfect picture for our second blog. I think this one is good, so I'm just going to add this to the page. Okay, so I'm going to show you as well what kind of tool I'm using for our blog post. So of course you have to create your own blog post. You just need ChatGPT to enhance the grammar or the idea of your blog post as long as it's from you. Okay, so because it will be good if it sounds natural or from your own idea. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds while ChatGPT is analyzing our caption for our blog post. So after this one, I'm just going to highlight the text that I need and then click on copy and then go back to our Wix Studio. Okay, so I'm going to paste that right here. Okay, so the next thing I should do is to simply click on the publish option at the top right of our screen. And then if you would like to change your font style, so you just have to highlight your text and then you can choose to select in bold. You can also change the color of the text as well as the font sizes, the font styles. Okay, so now that we have published 2 blog posts, just have to close this one and then close this one as well. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and this page will automatically load and you'd be able to see here now your blog post. Okay, so when someone visits your website and they click on this blog post, the blog option at the top left of our screen for the pages, so they'll be directed to this page where they can see your blog post. So let me show it to you, and then here just go to the blog option. Okay, and then when your customer wants to read more about your blog post, so they're just going to click on that. Okay, and then be directed to the section right here where they can read your blog post, and at the bottom you'd be able to see here your recent post. So this is our first blog post, so when they clicked on it, it'd be automatically directed to that page. Okay, and then as you can see right here at the top, we don't have the menu where we can click on the blog option automatically. So I also have a separate video about that. So you just have to add a menu at your homepage. So to do that, just go here and then click on the menu and search. So you just have to add this section or this layout at the top right or top left of your screen. And then after that, let me just remove this first one. Okay, and then you will then just have to add your menu right here. So you just have to click on manage menu and then you just have to add a new item. So adding a blog to your Wix website can bring numerous benefits, enhancing both of your online presence and of course your user engagement. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.